Open your book to page 148. Today's lesson is on how to determine if a relation is a function or not. So if you look on the bottom of page 148, the paragraph on the bottom of page 148, it says a function can now be defined as a special kind of relation. A function is a relation in which the different order pair have different first coordinate. Right? So definition of the function means that the first number of the order pair must be different. So let me give you an example. Okay? So if you look at example 1, so if you look at the coordinates, so you look at the x coordinates, if they are all different, that means it's a function. Now if they have the same, then it's not a function. So again, if they give you a coordinate, you can look. Okay, again, now let's go to page 150. Use this as an example. So if you look at number 1, notice these have the same first coordinate, right? So this one is not a function. That's how you tell, okay? By looking at the first number. If they have the same number, then it's not a function. So if you look at number 3, look at the first number. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all different. So yes, it's a function. Okay. Now if you look at this one over here, look at the first number. You got 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2. They're all different. So number 2 is a function. Now if you look at number 4, you have 0 here, you have 0 here. They're the same. So it's not a function. So number 4 is not a function. Okay. Now, so that's when coordinate that's given. Now if they give you the graph or like or any kind of the either dots, like graph of the dots or graph of line, then what you do is use a vertical line test. So you put a vertical line through. Whenever you have more than one point the same, so that means these two have the same x coordinate. So this is not a function. Number 11 is not a function. Okay? Again, because these two have the same x number. And if you look over here, so number 12, so number 12 is good. So number 12 is a function. 13 is a function because, again, you just look at it vertically. Now, if you go to number 14, number 14 is not a function because when it get over here, see, it touches 2 points. So in other words, these 2 points have the same x coordinate. So it's not a function. So same thing with a graph. So this one is good, right? So number 15 is a function because it only touches 1 point at any given time. When you get to number 16, see over here, it touches here and here. So these have the same x coordinate. So this is not a function. Number 17 is a function. Number 18 is not a function because when it's over here, it got infinite number of points right over here. So again, to tell if it's a function is very easy. Okay? You look at the x coordinate. If they are the same, if you have the same x coordinate like this one over here, then it's not a function. Okay? And graph, if you have 2 points on the same vertical line, it's not a function. So not a function, not a function. So that's how you tell. Okay? So let's go and do some practice.